Welcome to Interlink. How can I help you?
I'd like to cancel my internet service, please.
Sure, I can definitely help with that. Are you moving, or have you had trouble with our service?
No, my rate has gone up too much. I was paying $45 a month at first, but my last bill was $70. I'd like a cheaper provider.
Who are you thinking of switching to, if you don't mind me asking?
TechZone. Their base rate is only $35 a month.
I see. You know, our customer surveys have shown their service is less reliable than ours.
I don't know about that. I'd just like to cancel my service with you.
And TechZone has a 3-week waiting period for installation.
I'm sorry, but I don't really care what you think about TechZone. I just want to cancel my Interlink service.
I understand. I just need to talk to my manager. 1 minute.
Okay. I have to be at work by noon, though.
Question 1. Why does the man wants to cancel his internet service? Question 2. When is this conversation likely taking place? Question 3. Why did the woman give the man information about TechZone? You will hear the second section of the conversation shortly.
Sorry for the wait.
I've been thinking, if you give me my old rate, I'd be happy to stick with you guys.
Well then, I have good news. My manager has authorized me to give you a discount.
What kind of discount?
We can offer you 20% off, so you'd only be paying $55 a month.
But that's $10 more than I was paying last year. And I know you still give new customers the $45 rate.
Sir, I can assure you that $55 a month is a better rate than you'll get with TechZone after you consider their setup fees.
I'm sorry, I really don't have time for this. Just cancel my service, please. I'm late for work. I'll be back later.
All right, sir. See you again.
Question 4. What was man's demand to continue using internet service? Question 5. Why did the woman offer the man a discount? Question 6. Why did the man leave? You will hear the third section of the conversation shortly.
Hi, I'm back.
Hello again, sir. Just so you know, I've called your cancellation into our customer service office. It will be effective March 19th, so you'll get one more bill.
Great. And what do I do with the equipment I got from you guys?
First, make sure that you have all the original packaging, power cords, internet cables, and the modem.
Okay.
Next, go to our website and click on the link that says Return Equipment. You can print out a mailing label from there.
Uh-huh.
Then, just print out that label and attach it to the box the modem came in. You can put it in any Canada Post mailbox. That's it.
Great. Hey, I'm sorry I was rude to you earlier. I was just frustrated. Thanks for your help.
No worries. Have a nice day.
Question 7. What does the woman mean when she says no worries? Question 8. How does the man feel in the end?